all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day.
Hi, I'm Reverend J.D. Richards, and I'm here today to ask you one question. Do you care? Do you care about these females? There's these germs going around and it's affecting every female in Jamaica. These girls are broading out, dashing out, tonguing at you. These girls are taking bottles in their mouth, concrete bricks in their face. Why? So that it can get followers on Instagram. Every single second, there's a germs on Facebook being exposed. Either she's putting things in her mouth or things are going to her mouth. With just $100 Jamaican a month, you can save these germs. This $100 a month go to buying Bridges slippers, Reese's Pieces, and all the shorts they can buy. You be angel, I would like you to call 1-800-SAVE-THE-GERMS, where you can donate. This comes in a free germs bag and an anti-germs repellent, so you stay far from these germs.
Some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lies that you make up for